Alright y'all, so I'm gonna do an apartment tour. I'm gonna rush through this because I gotta get back on the road, y'all. But this is my front door, and when you open it, you're greeted with steps. This right here is like a small coat closet. Y'all, I'm out of breath because I ran back up here to do this tour for y'all before we left. So this is my dining room. There's a bunch of boxes here, so it's kind of filling up the space. I wanted to do it empty, but that's not going to happen. So there's that. Super duper high ceilings, as you guys can see. This is my kitchen. Now, side note, you guys, in this particular layout that I'm showing you guys, they did have the upgraded appliances, but there weren't any of those units available. And excuse baby girl if you guys can hear her. So I just ended up getting the classic model. I don't really care, to be honest. It doesn't really matter to me because I'm not like a big cook or kitchen person to begin with. But that is why I did end up with the white appliances, because they did not have any of the upgraded models available. They were already lived in. So this was what came to me, and I really wanted this specific layout. So yeah, y'all. Now y'all, this is my living room, but we're gonna come back to this, and I'm also gonna show you all upstairs. But first, let's go ahead and go to the bedrooms. Y'all, baby girl is going at it, so if you hear some noise, it's her. Okay, but this is Royal's bedroom right here. It's really spacious, super bright. I think she's going to come to enjoy it more as she grows over the next few months or year and a half. But nonetheless, you guys, this is her bedroom, and this is technically her bathroom, but it's also the guest bathroom. Okay, my mom recorded this, as you guys can see. She did like the empty version when we first came in because I asked her to, and then I ended up doing the version after they brought all the boxes in. But nonetheless, this is the bathroom, a nice big soaker tub, and this is closet number uno. Okay, so this is my first closet. I'm not going to give Royal one of these closets simply because I just have too many clothes. So what I'm going to do is get her a nice cute hanging rack to hang a lot of her clothes on, but most of her clothes I end up folding. So yeah, y'all, I decided to take both of these closets. But either way, this is the bathroom and the closet, and I've already filled up both of these closets. Okay, yeah, so that's my business. But I still got too many clothes, y'all, so I'm gonna have to find something else to do with my clothes. But this is where my washer and dryer is located, and you guys, I absolutely love that my washer and dryer is separate from everything else. Like, it has its own little area, and as you guys can see, this is my bedroom. Spacious as well, on the other side of the hallway. I absolutely love it. Okay, I love it, I love it, I love it. And then in here is what you'd consider the master bathroom to be. It does not have a huge soaker tub, but that's okay. This is my other closet right here. Spacious as well. It's a little bit bigger than the other closet. The bedrooms are pretty much the same size, but the closets, the size is a little bit different. Okay, so anyways, y'all, this is all the bedrooms and bathrooms, and now we can go ahead and get ready to head up those steps. And up here is my loft, aka my beauty room, glam room, whatever you want to call it, girlfriend. It's really spacious up here too. I love this. And now y'all see where those high ceilings come from. As soon as my mom saw that I was getting this place, she said, Lord, your electricity bill gonna be so high, these high ceilings. But girl, I wanted this particular layout. I didn't care, one not gonna stop me, not even them white appliances. So anyways, you guys, that is my apartment tour.